Okay, it's time for us to install these door locks really quickly. Just need the clips that hold it in place. Some washers, had a bunch of these. I bought these some time ago for another application. Got quite a few of them, so let's do this right now. We're gonna clean this off. I'm gonna start on this door first. I'll just do one on camera, that's it. Try to make these videos a little bit more shorter. So they install like so. Both install with the lock facing down, so the key can go down, not like this. This is wrong, this is right. Let's install this one first. Let's clean this off. Got my lighting now already. Got the glass up. You can actually see the lever. I want to reach in there and grab it first. Maybe I should set the camera in from this side. I'll just put it in and I'll show you guys what I'm doing as I get it in there. You know what, let's move this back. Let's move this weather stripping back so you guys can see a little bit better in there. Remember, the video for this is on the channel. We just installed it, just in case you're new to the channel. A little bit better view. Okay, so both locks are facing down. Look at how the lever is angling on one. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side that faces out. If you look at the lever, you can see how it angles out, like so. So let's get the camera in there and see. First, we're gonna install it. Like so. Let's put the lever on. So you can see we're in here. So you got a really close-up look on it. I pulled that plastic piece around the bottom of that lever to hold it in place. And we got the lock in position as well. Nice firm seal around it. Real nice. Those are some really nice gaskets. So now all we gotta do is push the clip down on it. I'll show you guys that right now. Now that we in there good. You can install this clip. This is a retainer clip that holds it in place. We can push it from this side. which is best. So we have to go in like this sideways. Let me show you guys. I'm pushing it with some force to get up all the way on there. And I think the problem is these gaskets are on the thick side. They look great aesthetically, but they're on the thick side, whereas the factory gaskets are thin. So I'm gonna flatten that out some. Okay, I'm flattening it out some. Should be good now. Should be all good. I thought I pressed record, but I didn't. Pop right in perfectly. Just flatten it a little bit now. I got a really nice look. I also peeled this off of here, so I'll put that back. I did that on purpose. I got a really nice clean look. Look at that. And these are like a plastic rubberish type gasket. So create a nice firm seal around there. All right, I'm gonna put this weather strip back on, do the other side, we'll close the video out. We're done, both sides. Things back installed. We're gonna use the key in a second. I like how that look. Look at that, that's a nice seal, really nice. Got a nice seal there. So let's get the key and try the key. Let's see how smooth the key works to lock. All right, here we go. Let's get a decent angle. We're in. Lock. Perfect. Smooth. Smooth. I had also lubed the lock up as well. Perfect. All right, guys. Oh, before we go, let me show you guys. These are like a premium gasket. These are nice. Up close look at it. You guys can see. Got a little bit thickness to it compared to like one of the original gaskets. Paper. These are like paper. That's it, guys. It's a wrap. We got locks now. We're moving our next video. Will be, what's the next video? What's the next video? Carpet. Carpet installation. So, you guys can see I cleaned out the inside already. We're gonna be installing carpet next. And then, right now I'm over there wiring the pop trunk in. That's a video coming up. The clock, we'll be wiring that in after we get the dash all cleaned out and stuff. Put a little speaker up there as we start approaching getting this thing. But let's get some carpet in here, get a little bit more cushion as I work inside the cab area. I want a little bit more cushion in here. And I'm trying to see what's next. Then we'll start putting after the carpet, those large panels. Just work our way around through here. But things are gonna start moving really quickly, so videos will be popping up daily, just about, as I push to get this thing done. I just ordered a butyl tape also for this. So we have to take this old sticky stuff out, clean all here real good, put these black retainers in. And these windshields take a butyl tape, the rear and the front windshield. Prime example, I'll give you guys some, this book shows everything. All these books that I got in this series, it's extremely detailed. So we go back, to get into it somewhere. This is what we use. It shows all the models. So that's coming up. So they'll be dropping too. We'll be doing the windshields after we get all this cleaned up in this area. Remove all this stuff and clean all it up. Give me a speaker inside. Before I install the windshield, I want to try to do everything I can inside the dash area and get all this cleaned up looking nice. And although this is the original steering wheel and it's nice, once it's cleaned up, we're gonna replace that with a really nice one. I ain't showed you guys which one yet, but we got one. I showed you guys a brand new one, but I'm not using that one. I'm gonna use another one. So, hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm pushing to get this thing done. We got other stuff to do, other places. Also, we also gotta install these vents. Let me show you guys. I got them on too. Just trying to think of things as I go. There, over here. Install these boys. So, be on the lookout for all these videos coming. Hope you guys find them entertaining, and hope you guys are just excited as me to see the car when it's done and put back to kind of its original glory with a little bit more modernization to it. But once again, hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Terrence out.